What's up, future millionaires? It's Mike the Investor, and yes, I am still holding my Digibyte coins. I still believe it is a sleeping giant, and so what we're going to cover in this quick update, we're going to look at the price chart on Digibyte. I'm going to give you guys my non-financial advice price prediction for the end of the year for Digibyte, and then thirdly, I'm going to give you guys a few reasons that I've covered in the past on why I still believe that Digibyte is worth the investment. And so before diving into it, definitely take advantage of grabbing some free Bitcoin by using the Voyager and BlockFi link down below, where you can earn passive income on your cryptocurrency just for leaving it on the platform. Now, it doesn't get much better than that. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, crypto investors, welcome back to the channel. Now, there are timestamps down below if you do want to dive into just some certain parts of this video. So let's go ahead and dive into CoinGecko.com and look at Digibyte's price chart. And so here we are on CoinGecko, and we can see the current market cap right now at the time of this video is a little bit over 1.6 trillion, and we can see the 24-hour volume is a little over 100 billion. And so Bitcoin's dominance is still around 44.5%. And so as we move down and looking at Digibyte's price, it is right under 5 cents at 0.049. And as we look at the rank for Digibyte, it is ranked number 98 on CoinGecko, and also is ranked in the top 100 for CoinMarketCap as well. And so as we move on down here, you can see the market cap is a little over 716 million. You can see the circulating supply is 14.5 billion. And as we move on down and look at the price chart here, we will go back and look at the price here so we can look at the circulating supply to see how that would match up with my price prediction. So looking at the far right here, we can see the all-time high and all-time low for the Digibyte coin, and we can see for the all-time high was 3 months ago, a little bit over 17 cents, almost 18 cents to be exact. And if we look at the all-time low, it was well under a tenth of a penny. You can see 0.00003, and that was 6 years ago, of course. And we can see we are down about 72% from the current all-time high because the price is around close to 5 cents, right at that 0.049. And so if we move on down and just look at the 90-day chart here briefly, we're going to just see kind of that decline that we saw out of the entire cryptocurrency market. So you can see there was a lot of volume going through Digibyte as the price, was up, and there were also people, taking profits and trading as well. And so there hasn't been any huge news, on Digibyte here currently, besides everything else that's going on. And so as we move on down and look at kind of the percentages of Digibyte, we can see on the 1 hour is pretty flat at 0.4%. On the 24-hour is down 2%. On the 7-day is up over 16%. On the 14-day for 2 weeks is up over 35%. And on the month for 30 days is up over 8.9%. And then on the year, it is up 96%, almost a 1x. All right, so that's the current price chart for the Digibyte cryptocurrency at the current time of this video. It may be a little bit different when this video actually comes out, but now let's go ahead and dive into my price prediction, for Digibyte for the end of 2021. Now, I do have to say this is not financial advice. I can be wrong on this, so definitely take this with a grain of salt. And so I kind of have a low, medium, and high price prediction here for Digibyte. So on the complete high side, I definitely think Digibyte can still reach 30 cents this year. On the medium side, I believe it can hit 50 cents, and then a big if things just blow up dramatically crazy, depending on what the market does, it will hit $1 and beyond in the future. And so just for this year, I believe 30 to 50 cents is more realistic. And so now let's kind of go back to the price chart here briefly, just to kind of see what the market cap would be with the current circulating supply at these price targets. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull my calculator up here, and I'm gonna move this. Actually, it's fine right here, and we can see here's the circulating supply at 14.5 billion. So let me go ahead and copy this, and I'll bring my calculator back up here, and we're just gonna paste the circulating supply in there. And just to show you that this is correct, let's take the circulating supply. Let me move this over, and we can see the current price is around 5 cents. So let's do this times 0.049. Now, it won't be 100% exact because I'm just doing the 3 decimal places over. So if we hit the equal, you're going to see 712 million. If you look down here at the market cap, 716 million. So that's how you kind of figure out what the market cap will be based off of the current circulating supply. And so let's go ahead and clear this out. So now let's put the circulating supply back in there, and we're going to times this times the first price target, which is 30 cents. So we're going to do 0.30, and that's going to be equal. That is a $4.3 billion market cap. That is more than doable in my opinion. Yes, you can call me biased, but in my opinion, that is more than doable for Digibyte. So a 4.3 market cap, 4.3 billion market cap, and it's currently around 716 million. All right. And so remember, the current all-time high for Digibyte is 17 cents, actually almost 18 cents. So it's a little bit over halfway to that 30 cents already. All right. And so let's move back up here, and we're going to clear this out. We're going to put the circulating supply back in there, and we're going to times this now times 50 cents per coin. And that's going to give us a $7.2 billion market cap, which I also believe is doable. Now, if we look at a dollar price target to be easy, you can just do 1 times the circulating supply, which is going to pretty much give you the market cap. But just to kind of show you guys in real time, like every other price target, let's go ahead and copy and paste that back in there, which is the circulating supply. We're going to times that times $1. And so that's going to be equal 14.5 billion market cap. All right, and so that's definitely doable in the future as time go on. Definitely what Digibyte can do. And that actually brings us to the few reasons on why I believe that Digibyte, is still worth the investment. Alright, so here's just a few reasons on why I believe that Digibyte is still worth the investment. So I may have to look at my computer screen here to see everything I've written down for you guys, but I'm going to see if I can remember it right off the top of the head. And so one of the first things for Digibyte is it's one of the fastest and longest existing blockchains in existence. Another thing is it's always been the top 100. It's always been in the top 100 since the launch, of Digibyte. Another thing about Digibyte is it is very, very secure. It has the 5 cryptic algorithms, and I don't even believe I have this on the chart, but this is just coming from memory here. And then also the Digibyte use cases, you have the max supply of Digibyte, which will all be mined by 2035. It's a max supply of 21 billion. There's already 14.5 billion in circulation, which we already saw on the price chart. And then after that, we also have the partnership as well, with Microsoft and Humble Finance, which is also a pretty big deal. We just haven't seen a lot come from it just yet. And so not only that, I also believe one of the last reasons is Digibyte still has a untapped market as far as the people that actually know about it, and for the people that's going to actually understand the use cases and what Digibyte can do. One of the most secure, it's very fast, it has the capability of being used as an everyday payment. They also offer digital IDs, which is also going to be the future. Digibyte is a security protocol cryptocurrency where people look at it as an everyday payment because it has that ability. But Digibyte is truly a security protocol type cryptocurrency. And so these are just a few reasons on why I believe Digibyte is still worth the investment. Definitely still do your own due diligence, on any cryptocurrency that I talk about or any other, YouTuber talks about. But I just kind of wanted to give a quick update, on Digibyte just to let you guys know I am still holding strong. I still believe in the project 100%, and trust me, I am not panicking. And so if you guys enjoyed this video, I want to say thanks for watching. Definitely smash the like button. Also share this out with the Digibyte community as well. But before getting out of here, future millionaires, definitely connect with me on my social platforms on Twitter and Instagram at MIKETHAINVESTOR. Also be aware of the spam and fake accounts. And if you haven't checked out the Patreon and you want to join the private group, definitely check out the link. It will be in the description. But that's all I got for you. Remember to stay inspired, stay motivated, always invest in yourself, and I'm out.